Well, hello everybody. Hope you're doing good. I'm upgrading the LED lights on the backhoe. It's bright, man. But I may have to make a. See how the other one's pointing down further? This mirror's not quite pointing down. I think I may need to make me a bracket to where I can point it down some more. We'll have to wait to see how it looks at night. That LED light's pitiful, man. I mean, not the LED, the halogen. It's a 55 watt, and the LED is a 48 watt from Northern Tools. Thing's bright, man. Looks good too. It's a lot better than that daggum orange light over there. That's pitiful. Right, man. I like it. So whenever I install the other one, I guess I'll figure out what I want to do then. So, thanks for watching and God bless.